Hey guys, what is up? This is Techno HD and back with another video on my channel. And today in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Oppo F11 Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. The one which I'm unboxing is the Thunder Black variant with a 6GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage, and it is retailing at the price of 25,540 rupees. After opening the box, we get the Oppo paper stuff. Inside that we get the SIM card ejecting tool, a basic cover for the phone which is pretty good, and some reading material from Oppo. Below that we get the handset itself wrapped with the plastic written on it, the Oppo F11 Pro, and some other details about the phone. When I remove the plastic covering, you can have a first glance at the phone. The phone looks premium, the build quality is awesome, and the bluish black and purple combination make the phone look authentic and outstanding. Below the handset we get a micro to USB cable and a VOOC 3.0 charger rated 5V and 20V. We also get the Oppo's original earphones with a 3.5mm jack, which are compatible with all devices except the latest Apple's iPhones in the market. The phone has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display that comes with 19:5:9 aspect ratio. It has a bezel-less panoramic screen with no visible notch. The screen to body ratio of this phone is extraordinary. It has a 90:90 screen to body ratio, which makes the phone look beautiful and attractive. Instead of the notch, Oppo has provided a self-rising front camera which looks interesting and futuristic. For screen protection, Oppo has provided the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 in this phone. When we talk about the design, at the back side we have a dual camera fingerprint scanner, and at the bottom we get a 3.5mm headphone jack, a mic, micro USB port, and stereo speakers. When we talk about the right hand side, we get the SIM slot, power button, and at the left hand side we get the volume buttons. And yes, at the back side we get the polycarbonate body which comes with a glass finishing. This phone comes with a dual SIM slot, and its memory can be extended by using a memory card up to 128GB. When we talk about the look and feel, then no doubt the provided design, the gradient look, appears to be really premium even when you hold it in your hand. When we move forward to the camera of this phone, then at the back side we get a dual rear camera with one main camera of 48MP with f1.7 aperture, and the second is a Dutch sensor of 5MP which comes with the ultra night feature, which helps to take beautiful photos in low light. Now when we talk about the selfie camera, then in Oppo F11 Pro you will get a 16MP rising selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. When we talk about the camera features, then we get a bunch of important features like the night mode, pano, expert mode, time lapse, slow-mo, Google Lens, and portrait mode. When we talk about the video recording, then here we can shoot up to 1080 and 720p, and yes, here at both sides we get the EIS support. Taking a glance at the processor, we get the MediaTek Helio P70 chipset, which is an octa-core processor, and it is clocked at 2.1 GHz. For multitasking, we get a 6GB RAM and a 64GB of storage. In phone, we get a hybrid slim slot and a 4000 mAh battery, and it comes with a 3.0 VOOC fast charging. Here we get the ColorOS 6.0 that is based on Android Pie. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So this was the Oppo F11 Pro, and the thing is that it's been long since I've uploaded any video on my channel, and this was a comeback video for me, and I would be uploading regularly now. So the thing is that the background you're watching here is from Ramgarh at Levitate. They have very great cottages built up here, and you can also buy one. I bought them, and I would be providing the link for this cottage. You can book your holidays here. So thank you for watching. Keep loving, keep supporting Techno HD. This is Techno HD signing off. Bye.